BlackRock ETF closing in on Grayscale market share despite low inflows. GBTC last updated, April 18, 2024 at 22:55 GMT plus 3 1-minute read. BlackRock's IBIT challenges Grayscale's dominance in the Bitcoin ETFs market as its market share steadily increases. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF, iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, has established a commanding market presence, edging closer to the dominance of Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust GBTC, according to data released on April 17. IBIT's impressive growth in the spot Bitcoin ETFs market. The Dune data shows that IBIT boasts $19 billion worth of Bitcoin with a current market share of 32.6%, inching closer to GBTC 36.8% market share. His report comes amid IBIT's second lowest daily inflows of $24.9 million since its launch. IBIT was approved on January 10, and its current market share highlights an impressive growth sequence. Then, BlackRock ETF Bitcoin holdings have grown by over 10,200%, amassing 272,550 BTC valued at $16.8 billion. He fund needs about $2.2 billion to close in on Grayscale's holdings. Grayscale's market share has plummeted substantially following the conversion of its GBTC into an ETF. Before conversion, Grayscale held about 620,000 BTC, but its holdings have dropped by over 45% since then. Grayscale's holdings stand at 308,105 BTC as of writing. IBIT impressive attainment has sparked discussions with some analysts suggesting that an IBIT takeover could be around the corner. While both ETFs have had a slowdown in accumulation and selling patterns in recent weeks, IBIT $866 million net inflows on March 13 and GBTC $607 million outflows on March 19, its fourth largest since inception, suggests that the broader market sentiment might be shifting in favor of BlackRock. Additionally, GBTC high trading fee of 1.5%, the highest among all U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF issuers, could impact patronage. In contrast, BlackRock's IBIT charges a modest 0.25% fee, while Franklin Templeton's ETF offers an even lower fee of 0.19%. Despite IBIT notable growth, the spot Bitcoin ETFs market has experienced dwindling net inflows recently. Volatility amid the battle for spot Bitcoin ETF dominance. According to data from Farsight Investors, IBIT recorded net inflows of $73.4 million on April 15, lower than the previous day's inflow of $111.1 million. However, aside from Grayscale's GBTC, the other 8 ETFs reported no inflows during that period, which contributed to BlackRock's growing market share in the Bitcoin ETF segment. The and spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded a net outflow of $91.8 million between April 12 and April 15. These outflows coincided with a volatile week for Bitcoin, which saw a 9.54% price drop to about $63,000 as of writing. Bitcoin investment products experienced $110 million in outflow between April 12 and 17, indicating investor hesitancy, according to CoinShares' James Butterfield. Follow us on Google News.